Good afternoon, everyone. Speaking on behalf of NTCC High School, Gate number 7, Malvani, Malad. I am Mrs. Shaheen Sheikh and I welcome to you all for the online class. Here are some instructions to be followed during the lecture. Use of earphones or headphones for better learning experience. Keep a book and pen to make note of some important points. Read the text on the screen. Sit in a quiet and comfortable place. You may pause the video till you resume or if you want to note important points. Today we are starting with chapter number 13. Shivaji gives the slip to the emperor. In the last chapter we have seen, after signing the treaty of peace with the emperor, Jai Singh has ordered Shivaji to go and meet the emperor in Agra. And now Shivaji is ready to go to meet the emperor in Agra. With the putting the trust in Jai Singh, Shivaji left for Agra. Before leaving, Shivaji took blessings from his mother. See, you can see in the first picture how Shivaji is taking blessings. In the second picture, you can see the court of the emperor. In third picture, here Shivaji enacted as he is very ill. In this fourth picture, Shivaji is escaping from the emperor's place. Here Shivaji escaped and here he reached to Maharashtra again. Points to be studied. Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor's court, the emperor's treasury, escape from Agra. Putting his trust in Jai Singh, Shivaji left for Agra to visit the emperor. Before leaving for Agra, Shivaji handed over the administration of his Swaraj to his mother Jijabai and took her blessings. With him were his son Sambhaji Raje, some chosen Sardars and a few trusted people. He also carried with him a large treasure. In one course he reached Agra. Before leaving to Agra, he took blessings from his mother and he handed over the administration of his Swaraj to his mother. And with him, Sambhaji Raje was also with him. Some Sardars were with him and few trusted people were also with him. Here Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor's court. On a pre-arranged day, Shivaji Maharaj attended the emperor's darbar. Young Sambhaji Raje accompanied him. Now here Shivaji went to the darbar of the emperor. It was Aurangzeb's 50th birthday. When Shivaji reached to the darbar, it was the 50th birthday of the emperor. Here, after finishing court in Diwan-e-Khas, the emperor entered the hall where matters of state were discussed. In front of him stood his chief Sardars in serial ranks according to the status. Now, always in his darbar, the Sardars used to stand according to the status. And here, when Shivaji reached, Shivaji was allowed to stand far away in the queue. Jaswant Singh Rathod, whom the Marathas had put to flight on many occasions, was in the rank ahead of Shivaji. The emperor put Shivaji in one of the back rows. Shivaji became angry. So here, as Shivaji was the king of Maharashtra, then also he was made to stand in the back rows. And looking at this, Shivaji became very angry. After all, he was the king of the sovereign state of Maharashtra and his status demanded that he should be in the front rank. This was a deliberate insult which he would not suffer lying down. Angry and insulted, he turned his back on the royal presence and made for his residence. He decided never to see the emperor's face again. The visit was thus a failure. The news of the incident spread everywhere. Here, when he was standing in the back rows, Shivaji got very angry and he left the court without meeting the emperor. He felt very insulted. and he decided never to see the emperor's face again. So this visit was a failure. The emperor's treachery. Aurangzeb ordered guards to be posted around Shivaji's residence. In Agra, where Shivaji was residing, the Aurangzeb ordered guards around his house. Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje thus became, for all practical purposes, the emperor's prisoners. Now they became the prisoners of the Aurangzeb. He realized that the emperor would never let him return to Maharashtra. Now Shivaji realized that the guards are standing out and the emperor will never let him go to Maharashtra again. Days and weeks passed. Then one day Shivaji Maharaj petitioned to the emperor for permission to return to Maharashtra. Again and again Shivaji pretended and tried to leave for Maharashtra, but the emperor was not allowing him to go to Maharashtra again. Then Shivaji Maharaj made up his mind to escape from the emperor's clutches. To begin with, he obtained the emperor's permission to send back to the south the persons who had accompanied him to Agra. Now, Shivaji decided to escape from the emperor's place, and first he began with the people who were with him. First, he decided to let the people go to Maharashtra again. Then, emperor was very happy. He thought Shivaji Maharaj would now be completely isolated. So he gave the permission to go his men back to the south. And now the Shivaji, Sambhaji Raje and the two servants Hiroji Farjan and Madar Mehtar were with him. Only 4 persons left in the palace. Soon after, Shivaji Maharaj pretended to be ill. He complained for severe pain in the stomach. Doctors were called. Shivaji pretended. Shivaji was doing acting like he was not well and he was having severe pain in the stomach. Doctors were called. Shivaji started sending huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and Maulavis. Now this all was a pretending he was doing like he was having pain and doctors were called, and then big baskets of sweets he has given to the sadhus for his quick recovery. In the beginning, when sweets were going out, the guards were checking that baskets also. The basket of sweets were checked, but in the course of time they got tired of this daily routine. Daily this basket of sweets were going out, daily they were checking, and after some time they were very tired of all these things, and then afterwards they need not check the baskets. One evening Shivaji made Hiroji sleep in his bed. Shivaji told Hiroji to lie in his bed and Madari Mehtar was massaging his feet. Shivaji and Sambhaji Raje sat in one of the basket of the sweets and escaped from the place. At a place previously fixed, Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji got out of the baskets. See, here you can see Shivaji and Sambhaji Raje in the coming out from the baskets. Their faithful servants were waiting for them with horses kept ready for the flight. In the meantime, Hiroji and Madari left the house in Agra under the pretext that they were going to the doctor to get some medicine, and the 2 Sardars who were in the place also left out from there, asking that they are going to call the doctor. The 2 of them risked their own life and made a valuable contribution to the task of freeing Maharaj from imprisonment. The emperor came to know of Shivaji's escape the next day. He was wild with rage. His Sardars were frightened. The emperor sent spies all over the country to trace Shivaji. All the search, however, was in vain. Once escaped, the Maratha lion was never again caught. In disguise, Shivaji Maharaj started towards Maharashtra. In this way, Shivaji escaped from the emperor's clutches and returned to Maharashtra. He left young Sambhaji behind in a place at Mathura and due course reached Rajgarh. Jijamata was overjoyed to see Shivaji safe and back home. 2 months later, Sambhaji also arrived safely at Rajgarh. In this way, the great skill and daring Shivaji gave the slip to the emperor and returned to the safety of his kingdom. This was in 1666. Here are some questions for recapitulation. Who was the king of sovereign state of Maharashtra? Shivaji was the king of sovereign state of Maharashtra. Who were the only people left with Shivaji in Agra? The only people left with Shivaji in Agra were Sambhaji Raje and the two servants Roji Farjan and Madari Mehtar. Home assignment. The home assignment, fill in the blanks and recap questions you have to write in your notebook. Shivaji Maharaj left young Sambhaji behind in a safe place at dash. Shivaji Maharaj attended the emperor's darbar. It was Aurangzeb's dash birthday. Shivaji Maharaj sent baskets of dash to sadhus and maulavis. Coming up next will be chapter number 10. Sorry, this is wrong. Coming up next will be chapter number 14. Sorry, this is by mistake written. Stay safe and healthy, children. Thank you.